Okay, hello everyone! Let me introduce myself first. My name is Putri Rizky Utami, Management Kalbis Institute 2020. In this video, I want to show you and tell you how to make beads bracelet. At first, you have to prepare a piece of paper, elastic string, scissors, pencil, and of course, beads. Oh, I forgot something. You must cut your paper like this. Okay? Next, measure your hand with the paper like this. Oops. Like this. And mark the size of your hand. And then adjust the size of your hand to elastic string, but don't be too tight or you will be trouble in the end. After that, cut the elastic string. Okay. Next, choose the color. Feel free if you want to mix all the color beads that you have, but in this time I want to choose a yin and yang color, so it is black and white. And then I will put smiley beads in the middle. So yeah, the beads have a holes, so you just have to put the hole on the elastic string. Wait a minute, my hand is slippery. Okay, you just have to put like this. Next, in this time, you just have to use your instinct to guess how many beads you need to make a bracelet. So I think I will be quiet. So just give me a second minute for finishing this bracelet. Okay? Okay, if you have done with this, the next step is the last one. This is the part I hate the most because the part is tie the end of the string. If your hand slippery and you don't focus, all the beads on the string will fall out. So please take care and keep focus. Try it 3 times to make it strong. Then cut the string again like this, and then tada! The beads bracelet are ready to use. Is it simple, right? And also cutie. Next, I think it is enough. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you next time.